guys, I'm Faris. Now last week we did numbers 60 to 70 in ASL, so this week we are going to be doing numbers 70 to 80. Now, I introduced you last week to a concept called rocking numbers, where you would go from the lower number to the higher number. But in the 70s, 80s, and 90s, there are going to be some numbers where you start off your number with the higher number and go to the lower number, whereas in just the 60s, we would just go from this to this always. So for the 70, you're going to be going from 76 to 77 and 78. So it's a bit harder there. So I'm going to get through it and I'm going to do it very slowly so you guys can remember it. Okay, let's get started with me teaching you guys all the numbers. So we're going to start with 70, which we learned last week, which is just 7, 0, 70. And now we're going to be 71, so 7, 1, 71. And 72 is 7, 2. So 7, 2, 72, and 7, 3, 7, 3, 7, 3, and 7, 4 is 74, so 7, 4, and 7, 5, 7, 5. Now this is where it gets a little bit tricky. Now remember, the number on your shoulder almost is the lower number, and the number near your face is the higher number. So let's think if it's 76, what do you think it will be? Do you think it will be from head to shoulder, or do you think it will be from shoulder to head? Now, it will be from head to shoulder, as you probably guessed, because the lower number will be on my shoulder. So it'll be 76, 7, 6, and now 7, 7, just like any multiple of 11, is just 7, 7, 7, 7. And now with 7, 8, we go back to as we did in the 60s. We went 7, 8, so shoulder to face, 7, 8, 78. And now we do 7, shoulder, 9, head, 7, 9, 79, and 80. So 8, 0, 80. So now I'm going to go back to 76 so you can learn that just a little bit better. So we're going to start off on our front side, so with our head. So we go 7, 6, higher, lower, 76, and now 77 is horizontal, 77, and 78, 79, and 80. Okay, awesome. Now I'm going to do that one more time again slowly, then I'll do it slowly again and normal pace. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Awesome, so now what we're going to do is I'm going to do it again, but very slowly. Make sure this time to follow along with me. So we're going to start with 70, 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Great. Now I'm going to do it again at a normal pace. 70, 71, 72, 73, 74, 75, 76, 77, 78, 79, and 80. Okay, make sure to stay tuned till next week when we are going to be doing numbers 80 to 90. Bye for now! Okay. Hola mis amigos, mon amigas feliz. I just said my name, my friend is Freeze. My friend is Freeze.
Did you mix Spanish and French there too?
Yeah. I said mon. Okay. Okay. Sorry.